Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kasturi Rajesh Kumar. In this video I am going to unbox Redmi 10,000 mAh power bank, and it supports only 10 watt fast charging. This is not a 18 watt fast charging power bank, and the price of the power bank is 799 rupees, 800 rupees. I have bought it from amazon.in. You can also buy it from MI Store app, and it has a lithium polymer battery, and it supports only 10 watt fast charging input and output. And it has a dual port input, micro USB and type C. It has both input ports, and it has advanced chip protection. It has total of 12 layered advanced chip protection. I have given the picture. Once you can pause the screen and read. And this power bank is made in India, and the MRP of the product is 999 rupees, but I have bought it for 799 rupees. The hologram is given. You can check the power bank is genuine or not, and it has a BIS mark also. This is given by the Indian government, and the MRP is 999 rupees. I have bought it for 799 rupees from amazon.in. You can also buy it from Mi Store app. And the input is 5 volts, 2.1 amperes, approximately 10 watts, and output is 5.1 volts into 2.4 amperes. Again, it's approximately like 11 watts, and it has a dual port. It has a dual USB A ports, and type C input and micro USB input. Now, without much ado, let me open the box. I will cut the box and I will show you the contents in the box. The packaging is very good, orange and white color combination. They have given one user manual about the product, and how can you check the hologram whether the power bank is fake or real. They have given some information. You can go through the information if you want. I have ordered it from amazon.in from Cloudtail seller. This is a genuine power bank, no need to test. And they have given one micro USB cable. Nobody is giving us USB type C cable in the box. Almost every company is giving micro USB cable only. I will open the cable and I will show you. Approximately they will give 100 centimeters length cable, like it's approximately 30 centimeters cable. And this is the micro USB cable, and black color cable. Almost they will give white color cable in MI power banks, but in this Redmi power bank they are giving black color cable. And the body is made with plastic body. Instead of buying this, you can buy MI power bank. Price is 900 rupees, 10,000 mAh power bank. It is made with aluminum body, and it supports two-way 18 watt fast charging, but this supports only 10 watt fast charging. Don't waste your money on buying this power bank. This power bank has anti-slip edge texture. The texture of the power bank is very good. If you hold in hand, it does not slip from your hands. They have teased this power bank in their website. Everybody thought that this is the Redmi laptop, but finally it was a power bank. And there is one button to see the charging status. Only one light is blinking. It has only 25% of available battery. It has dual USB A ports. You can charge it through mobiles simultaneously. I already told you it has a 2 input ports, micro USB port and USB type C port. and the power bank is slim and it is made in India power bank. Because it is made with plastic body, that's why this power bank is like approximately 200 grams. It is very slim only. The power bank has a low power mode option. Using this you can charge any Bluetooth headsets or any fitness bands. That is the advantage in this power bank. Most of the power banks, they are not giving a low latency mode option, but MI power banks will always give low latency mode option. And I am comparing with Flipkart SmartBuy 18 watt fast charger power bank. I bought this power bank for just 699 rupees in Flipkart, and this power bank supports quick charge 3.0 input and output, and this power bank has a USB Type-C power delivery 2.0 technology also. I suggest you to buy this power bank instead of buying this Redmi power bank. And this power bank is very slim. It has USB Type-C port and micro USB port, and micro USB port is both input and output. You can charge the power bank using micro USB port, and you can take the output also from that port. It has a power delivery 2.0 technology and Qualcomm certified quick charge 3.0 chip inside this power bank. Price is 100 rupees lesser than the Redmi power bank. This is 700 rupees, but the Redmi power bank is 800 rupees. I will give the description in the link. Once you check the description and go read the specifications very carefully and choose the better power bank. I am using many different kinds of power banks. That's why I suggested you to buy the Flipkart SmartBuy power bank. Don't buy Redmi power bank. This is my final verdict. I hope you like this video. Goodbye friends. Take care. Subscribe to my channel.